What is up, guys? It's Fixin' Family here, and today we are fixing this very bent, shattered on both sides, or just shattered on the screen protector and back, LG V60. So, yeah, guys, this LG V60 was in mint condition until it was crunched in a door. The frame is bent, very bent. I like to call it a banana because it's pretty much banana shaped. It did crack the back, and it didn't crack the screen, but the screen protector is all junk. So today we're going to go ahead and replace the back and the full frame. Sadly, we do have to replace the screen because I don't feel like taking this screen off this frame. I'll just keep it as a backup, or if we can straighten it out possibly. But I already did buy the full frame and already have a new back glass. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We're going to do a full swap, so everything's coming out of this frame and going into the new one. Let's get started. Alright, first we started off with some tape on the back glass so it doesn't shatter anymore while we're trying to take it off. Make things a little easier on us. So we're going to take the razor blade, get up in there, and then use our pick. There we go, got the back off. Adhesive is pretty strong on this guy, but overall not too bad. Alright, let's go ahead and let's get everything out so we can go ahead and swap it in the new frame. Alright, always remember to pop out the SIM card tray. There we go, that's the motherboard out. We have our brand new OEM display here. So just need to check out what we need to swap over. So front camera has a new SIM card slot, 5G band, both 5G antennas. Got this guy here. Sweet, we got pretty much everything. It's pretty much plug and play. Nice, very nice. Alright, so then we just got to get this battery out. Oh, and the front camera. All right, let's get to it. All right, I went ahead and got the battery out on off of camera. It's not too bad, just a couple adhesive strips right here. Just get it up with the little iFixit spudger, or a little card here. No problem there. And last thing is to get this camera out. So let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Front camera's out. And that's pretty much everything on this guy. So let's go ahead and let's start putting stuff in the new frame. One other thing I did forget to mention on this guy, you do have to take the fingerprint sensor out as well. Alright, so now that we got that out, I'll go ahead and put this guy to the side, and here is our new one, our new OEM LG replacement. Let's go ahead and throw all this stuff in. It is very nice quality, which I'm very happy with. So let's get this stuff in. One thing I will mention too, you have to get all the adhesive off this front camera or things will not fit in there right. Alright, that's all cleaned off. Let's throw this camera in here. Perfect. Alright, next thing we could do is put the battery in. So we already have pre-installed strips, which is very nice. Stick that cable down good, and battery. There we go. Perfect. Let's go ahead and let's get the motherboard in. So the motherboard has these contact pads on the bottom and contact pads here. So we slip this guy in, and then we got to get those nice and mated. There we go. Now we can start plugging in all the plugs. Alright, we'll give everything a wipe down. Make sure everything's plugged in. Alright, let's go ahead, let's put this plate back on. Alright, and then the bottom speaker. Alright, before I put the back glass on, I want to turn it on and see if it works. Let's go ahead and let's see. Alright, felt the vibration and we have life. Sweet, I'm going to go ahead, let this start up, test it out, and then we'll finish putting this thing back together. Alright, I went through all the tests and it's looking good. So let's go ahead and let's get a new back installed and finish this thing up. We're gonna do one last final wipe down, make sure everything's all clean in here. This back glass that I have here is sadly not exactly the same as the old one. The old one had the 5G Verizon logo. This one just has the V60 10Q logo. This is the only one I had on hand at the moment. So this will do. Okay, I'm going to switch over the IMEI number. This is on the new one. I'm surprised there's even one on here. Alright, we got the IMEI switched over now. Let's go ahead and put this adhesive down on the side. Make sure that's all down. Alright, there we go. Adhesive's all off. Let's go ahead and let's get her on here. Alright, and just like that, we are done. It's in perfect shape again, and it's not bent anymore. Here's the screen peel as well. I didn't want to peel it yet until I had a screen protector. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.